Have you ever wondered how Tesla owners keep their cars running at peak performance with the latest features, safety improvements, and even new games? It's not magic, it's all about software updates. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about updating your Tesla's software. Whether you're new to Tesla or just need a refresher, this video will have you covered. Tesla vehicles are often referred to as computers on wheels, and just like your smartphone or laptop, they need regular updates to stay ahead. But what sets Tesla apart is the ease and frequency of these updates. Some updates add new features like enhanced autopilot functionalities or streaming services, while others improve the efficiency and safety of your car. Ready to keep your Tesla up to date? Let's break it down. First things first, why are software updates important? Tesla's over-the-air (OTA) updates are a game changer. Unlike traditional vehicles, which often require a trip to the dealership for updates or fixes, Tesla owners can download updates directly to their car. These updates not only fix bugs, but also introduce new features that can make your car feel brand new, even years after purchase. Imagine waking up to find your car can now park itself better or has an improved range thanks to software tweaks. That's the Tesla advantage. How do you know when an update is available? Tesla's notification system makes it incredibly simple. When a new update is ready for your car, you'll receive a notification on your Tesla's touchscreen and in the Tesla app on your smartphone. The update icon will appear on the screen. It looks like a small yellow clock. Tapping this icon will give you more details about the update. Keep in mind that updates roll out in batches. This means some Tesla owners might get access to an update before others. Tesla does this to monitor the rollout and ensure stability. So, if you hear about an update but haven't received it yet, don't worry, it's on its way. Step by step, how to update your Tesla software. Connect to Wi-Fi. While some updates can download over a cellular connection, larger updates require a stable Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your car is parked within range of a trusted Wi-Fi network. You can set up a connection by going to your car's touchscreen, tapping on the Wi-Fi icon, and selecting your network. Enter the password if needed, and you're good to go. Check for updates manually. If you're eager to get the latest features and haven't received a notification, you can manually check for updates. On the car's touchscreen, go to Control Software. Here, you'll see the current version of your software and a button to check for updates. If one is available, the download will start automatically. Download the update. Once the update starts downloading, you'll see a progress bar on your screen. The download speed depends on your Wi-Fi connection, so it's a good idea to ensure a strong signal. Install the update. After the download is complete, you'll be prompted to install the update. You can either schedule it for later or start the installation immediately. During installation, your car will be temporarily out of service, so make sure you don't need to drive anywhere. The process usually takes 20 to 45 minutes. Restart and enjoy. Once the update is installed, your Tesla will restart. You'll receive a notification confirming the installation, and you can check the release notes on the touchscreen to see what's new. Some updates might require a quick calibration or setup, but Tesla guides you through it seamlessly. Pro tips for smooth updates. Keep your Tesla connected to Wi-Fi regularly. Updates are downloaded more efficiently over Wi-Fi, and keeping your car connected ensures you're always ready for the latest improvements. Review the release notes. Every update comes with release notes detailing what's new. These are accessible from the touchscreen after installation. Familiarizing yourself with these notes will help you make the most of new features. Be patient with staged rollouts. Tesla prioritizes stability, so updates might not reach everyone at the same time. Rest assured, your car hasn't been forgotten. Enable advanced software updates. If you like being among the first to try new features, you can opt into advanced updates. Go to Control Software and select Advanced under Software Update Preference. This setting prioritizes your car for updates when they're rolled out. What happens if an update fails? Occasionally, you might encounter a failed update. This can happen due to a poor Wi-Fi connection or other technical glitches. If this happens, don't panic. Simply reconnect to a stable Wi-Fi network and try again. If the issue persists, Tesla's customer support team is just a phone call away. You can also report the issue through the Tesla app. What about FSD beta updates? If you're part of the full self-driving FSD beta program, updates work a little differently. Tesla frequently releases updates to improve FSD capabilities based on user feedback and real-world performance data. As an FSD beta user, you'll receive updates more frequently, but it's crucial to stay informed about the changes and adhere to Tesla's guidelines for safe operation. Can updates be skipped? Technically, you can delay installing updates, but it's not recommended. Updates often include critical safety improvements and bug fixes. Skipping them could mean missing out on enhancements that improve your driving experience and your car's functionality. Plus, you wouldn't want to miss out on cool new features, right? The future of Tesla software updates. Tesla's commitment to OTA updates is a significant part of what makes their cars so innovative. From introducing new driving modes to expanding entertainment options like Netflix or new arcade games, the possibilities are endless. Tesla is also working on improving user experience and introducing features based on driver feedback. So, each update brings you closer to the future of driving. Keeping your Tesla up to date ensures you're always benefiting from the latest innovations. It's one of the perks of owning a Tesla and a big part of what makes their cars stand out in the automotive world. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.